In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on OK. Select Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Sorry. Following that, you need to access all of your shortcuts and edit them. In order to do that, use those three dots at the top right corner, hit Edit Tiles, and look for More. In More Tiles section, a Caffeine tile at the very end. Then click on this plus to add it to your current menu, go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!